Okay, so here's a trick if you think they've tripped you up on anything tomorrow. All the information they're going to have is what's in that video, so that's really all that you need to know. But if they ask you a question about what they're doing and you don't know the answer, say, hang on, I'm pretty sure I know the answer to that, but Miss Jensen made that quiz, so let me go check really fast. And then just go to the computer, open up a new tab, go into Schoology. You can, from this computer, I can just click Schoology. Again, you can just go to dicart.org. Click on Staff, and then click on Schoology. And then go into whichever course it is. Now, you probably noticed this, but when you click on the drop-down menu for courses, they are in order. So just go to whichever history class period it is, click into the folder. It will auto-publish in the morning, so this will be visible to them. And then here's their questions. If you want to see what it is, click Edit, or you can just look in here. Sorry, look in here. Skip that edit button for right now. But if you want to see, like, you can find a question, and they're going to be randomized, so they're in no particular order. But if they ask you a question about any particular one of these, so I think the first one, which of the following were ways that Peter the Great tried to modernize Russia? If you click on Edit, you can come down here and all the checked things are correct. That way you can fake it if you need to buy yourself a little bit of time. Then you can go back and be like, give them whatever clues they need to get there.